Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the SeaDoo Switch and a new product we're calling Marine Mat Tiles for the Switch. From the factory, most Switch models are going to come with a snap-down flooring product like you see here. It's a rubber tile, has a plastic snap on the base, on the bottom. So you'll see these little snaps. Those snaps connect to little spots in the floor. So they're configurable, they can be moved about. You move your furniture around, you can move the tiles with the furniture. People have asked over the last couple of years here, can we have something to match our bow or match the swim platform, something that looks like marine mat, feels like marine mat? At first there was no answer for that. We didn't really have a product because it required a snap down. We couldn't do a traditional stick down with this. The snaps had to be kind of like what comes from the factory. Good news, we are proud to announce now JetBoatPilot offers a marine mat snap product that has the same snap configuration as the factory and obviously configurable with all kinds of colors and style choices. So today we're going to show you how to remove your existing flooring and how to snap down marine mat tiles and give you that really custom look. As you get started with your install, you're going to note that in your kit, there's a wide variety of kits that you can buy, but each kit basically has the same base components. And then within that, you'll be locating them around the boat based off of where they fit best. You're going to notice that you're going to have some skinny pads, like you see here, some which have a vertical line, some which have more of a horizontal. You're going to have some square pads, which are orientated with the dragon scales in this scenario, kind of facing this direction. In most kits, you're going to see a set of pads that come in a quantity of 4. These have all these little various cutout features. These are for around the helm. We'll show those installed in just a moment. You're going to see pads that have cutouts like this. This is going to be for hatch lids. Notice that with the circles are on this one, that pointy end, which we talked about a moment ago, points towards the bow. There's another variation of that where you'll see the pointy end is the opposite way. It'll be here. So if I tried to install it here, it would still fit, but the pattern wouldn't line up according to the design. So just pay attention to that when you're dealing with these with the cutouts. And then some of you may have ordered some optional pads, like the ones you see here. These would mount in areas like underneath your table wedges. Let's get started with our install. I like to start from the front back. You have a parts diagram in your kit. You can also find that online. There should be a QR code, and we'll put a link to that in the description below so you can find that parts diagram. It'll show you where each of these pads goes. So as we mentioned before, the small portion here of the little dragon scale, that goes towards the bow. Align your snaps over the snap locations. Press them in. Make sure they're pressed in firmly. As before, little pointy end goes in the front. So we have our floor configured now for our current furniture layout. Let's say I want to move some furniture around. I've got this gap right now because I'm utilizing this table here, kind of sitting the table on these 2 seat backs. But I want to take one of these chairs out now, situate it here, move this base back, put the table in the floor. All we have to do, remove the tile, remove our table, remove the seat, lock it down. We'll reposition, take our tile, and fill the hole. Let's say we want to get access back here. We're coming up the ladder, want to utilize our rear gate kit, make a walkway, move our corner wedge. We're going to grab the pad that corresponds to this corner. Now you have a nice walkway. It gives you access to your ladder. And when you're done, secure your gate shut. All right, well that is the installation of the marine mat tiles for SeaDoo Switch. How will you configure your SeaDoo Switch? How are you going to set your tiles up? Comment below. Let us know how you're using it. Maybe some of your favorite configurations for your furniture. If you have questions at all about colors, styles, we can do all kinds of custom things for you. Of course, what you see on the website is what we offer in production, but we can do a lot of different custom things for you as well. We appreciate you watching this video. And by the way, if you like this one, you're going to love this one.